Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Monday.com Groups, where you will learn how to maximize the potential of this powerful feature to enhance collaboration and productivity within your team. To get started, let's define what Monday.com groups are. Groups are a way to organize your team members and control access to specific boards, items, and updates. They enable you to streamline communication, assign tasks, and track progress in a centralized manner. First, create a new group by going to the admin section and clicking on Groups. Here, you can add a group name, description, and members. You can also assign administrators to manage the group settings and permissions. Once you have created a group, you can start assigning it to specific boards. This will control who can view, edit, or delete items on that board. You can also use groups to set default permissions for new items added to a board, ensuring that the right people have access to the right information. A key concept in Monday.com groups is the idea of nested groups. This allows you to create a hierarchical structure, where a subgroup is a member of a parent group. This is useful for large teams with complex organizational structures, as it enables you to inherit permissions and settings from the parent group. To take your group management to the next level, use the group's dashboard to monitor activity, track updates, and receive notifications. You can also use the group's analytics to gain insights into group performance and identify areas for improvement. Best practices for using Monday.com groups include keeping your group structure simple and intuitive, regularly reviewing and updating group settings, and using clear and descriptive names for your groups. It is also essential to establish a consistent naming convention and to document your group structure for future reference. In conclusion, Monday.com groups are a powerful tool for team collaboration and productivity. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create and manage effective groups, streamline communication, and enhance overall team performance. Remember to keep your group structure organized. Use nested groups to simplify complex structures, and regularly review and update your group settings to ensure maximum productivity.